Come onto all fours. Lift your right knee and start drawing wide, smooth circles with your right knee. Now, if your hips feel tight, stiff, or locked up, I want you to know that getting older isn't the problem. Being inactive is. I'm 52 now, and these are the same stretches I recommend to my clients and practice myself every single day when I don't have time for a full yoga class. So, whether you're 40, 50, 60, or beyond, this 8-minute routine will restore your hip flexibility and get you moving freely again. As you continue those wide circles, inhale as the knee draws back and up. Exhale and sweep forward towards your chest. Engage your lower abdomen to keep your lower back steady so the movement stays strictly into your hip joint. Set both knees down, keeping your right knee bent. Sweep your right leg up and back, and then hug that knee right into your chest. Engage your core deeply, rounding slightly through your back to create space underneath. Hold for a full breath, then step that right foot softly to the outside of your right hand at the edge of your mat. Untuck your back toes, inhale long through your spine, and exhale as you let your hips sink down and forward. You can stay high on your palms or lower down into blocks or forearms. Engage your left glute to send a neurological signal to your left hip flexor to release. And let go of your stomach, your shoulders, and your jaw, and just relax in here, breathing with intention. So now let's transition into the left side. By coming back to the knees, take your right leg back, keeping the left knee bent, sweep it all the way back. Bring it to the chest, hold it with your core, and now step it forward, coming to the outside of the mat. You can stay high on your palms, maybe you come down to your forearms. And remember, sitting shortness are hip flexors all day long, pulling on the pelvis and creating lower back pain. Lizard lunge reverses hours of this time in just few breaths. So remember, your body isn't working against you, it's just waiting on you to give it permission to open up. Breathing in here for a couple of more breaths. Sinking the hips as low as you can. So step your left leg back, and from tabletop, stay up on your palms and take your knees wide towards the edge of the mat. Turning your feet out so your inner ankles rest on the floor. Inhale as you gently shift your hips back towards your heel. Exhale as you glide your hips forward over your wrist. We're using this dynamic frog movement on our hands to open the inner thighs and adductors without forcing a static hold. Flowing back and forth teaches your nervous system and hip sockets that it is safe to relax. If this bothers your knees, make sure to fold the mat. Maybe you use blankets or towels. Just make sure that you protect your knees. So doing what makes you feel comfortable in here. Keep your feet flexed to protect your knees and press firmly down through your palms. Engage your core lightly so your lower back stays supported as you rock. Let go of any gripping in your groin and inner thighs. Let the gentle momentum melt that deep tightness. Bring your right knee bent in front and your left leg bent back, creating a 90-degree angle at both knees. Lean back slightly into your hands for support. For our 90-90 hip switches, inhale tall through your spine, exhale lift your knees and sweep them over to the left. So your left knee is now in front and your right leg is back. Inhale at center, then sweep back over to the right. Engage your core to stay lifted through your torso. Let go of gripping the hip joint. After your last switch, settle into your 90-90 setup with your right knee in front and your left leg bent behind you. Check that both knees are at crisp 90-degree angles. Turn your chest so it is directly face over your front right thigh. You can come down to your forearms and just make sure that you relax your upper body. Switching into the left side, inhale tall through the crown of your head, lengthening your spine. Exhale and hinge directly from your hips and walk your hands forward over the front leg into a soft fold. Press your front left shin lightly down into the floor. That subtle active press will engage your outer glute and piriformis. Now exhale and let go of your stomach, your shoulders, and your face. Coming into our seated butterfly, swing your legs around and sit up tall. Bring the sole of your feet together and let your knees fall open to the sides into a seated butterfly. Relax in the shoulders, the neck, and the face. Maybe you make circles with your head going in different directions. Taking the chin to the chest, left ear to the left shoulder, maybe the right ear to the right shoulder. Tilt the head back. You can close your eyes if that feels good. And if you want to take care of your body from the inside out, please don't forget to check out Forever Strong, my own supplement line, made in the US. Non-GMOs, no additive, no fillers, all you need in one scoop, a 3-in-1 whey protein, collagen, and colostrum. For your reclined butterfly, make sure that you keep the sole of the feet together. And now take your left hand to your heart and your right hand to your belly, allowing yourself to relax, giving yourself a hug, feeling grateful for today's practice. Remember, I'm here every week to help you support this beautiful journey. We're not too old and it's never too late. And don't forget to check out Forever Vital to take care of your joints, your skin elasticity, your nails, your hair, and your gut health. And download today Vibrant Age Yoga if you want to keep practicing with me, and I'll see you guys on the next class.